In this glow up tutorial video, I'll be talking about how to get on-trend glowy skin and the no makeup look. Make sure to check out my Glow Up for Adults makeup video where I cover up dark under eye circles and other discoloration. Next step in the glow up. And this, again, very beaten up because it is from my makeup bag. But this is one of our newest products, which is Lit from Within Glow Balm. And it is a highlighter, but it's not a super glittery, sparkly highlighter that you can see from outer space. I mean, we've all seen these people walking around and to me, it gives them kind of this gray, weird, shining, dead looking in person, right? I mean, it looks awesome on Instagram. It looks awesome on photography on camera, but for an everyday person, it doesn't look so sweet in my opinion. So this is a highlighter that doesn't have any glitter. It just gives you a glow, it's again, a glow balm. Sort of if you've had a hydrofacial or you have heard about a hydrofacial, it's like faking a hydrofacial. I had the hydrofacial for the first time before my sister-in-law's wedding, and it was like amazing. If you can save up and go get a hydrofacial before a special event, I highly recommend it. I mean, it's like my skin was just radiant. But I can't afford to have the hydrofacial all the time, so if I want to fake a hydrofacial, I use Lit from Within. So 3 different colors. There's the sort of pearlescent white, there's a peach, and there's a more gold color depending upon your skin tone, but also depending upon your preference. You can just use your fingers. I have a little brush I sometimes use just on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'll go in with the pearl around the eyebrows. Makeup artists say just sort of apply it in a C, like that. Because this is not super sparkly, you can't really overdo it, which I like. Kind of idiot proof. If I were gonna run out again to the grocery store, I would probably I'd go do my eyes this way if I wasn't gonna put any eyeshadow on or any mascara. Just brighten up my eyes a little bit. Just really essentially fakes the glow up we're talking about, right? I mean, while we're waiting for the antioxidants to kick in, now I look like I have super healthy, glowing skin from the inside. Hence, Lit from Within. I know that I'm a little bit lazy and we're not gonna have super correct application techniques, but that's the nice thing that, it's somewhat idiot proof, so we can't have me really looking too freaky. Okay, so there we have it. I mean, it's a pretty natural look. That's, trending right now, the no makeup. Like, I think this would definitely qualify as a no makeup. We could put a little mascara on if we wanted me to look, and then some light eyeshadow if we wanted me to look, a little bit more done. But certainly I look natural. I look like I don't have any makeup on. I look very healthy and I look like I'm glowing. And I think that's what we want. All right, so that's that. Oh, one more thing. This is exciting. The lab sent me a new product to try. So we're working on a bronzer, and the bronzer will be probably more in a cream consistency, a little bit like Lit from Within. And we're thinking about offering a similar wheel. Instead of the 3 highlighters, we would have the bronzer, a blush, and then a highlighter that's pretty universal and works for all skin tones. So be great. It'll be mineral based again. It'll have antioxidants. So we're gonna have, like we've been talking about, makeup that is actually doing something good for the skin at the same time. So I'm gonna try this out. Just got it. And it's in the pressed powder form, so it's not exactly how it'll be when we roll it out. Ooh, I like it. Yes, look at that. See that? Of course I did put the Lit from Within underneath, but look how it's glowing. The highlighter itself has got a little bit of luminescence in it. So highlighter, bronzer. It's cold medicine, not firing on all cylinders. Bronzer has got a little luminescence in it. So you can see that not only is it making me look a little more tan, but it's giving me a really nice natural looking shine. And note that I'm going down the neck with this as well. Yeah, I like that. What do y'all think? Should we do it? Comment below. I'm using a very subtle metallic. It's kind of a brown mauve-y color. So at Dermflush, we don't yet have a miracle mascara. I would love to someday, but until then, I use It Cosmetics Superhero. It is amazing. I hope you will see when I use it. Like, I don't have very many eyelashes. They're very short. I don't have that many of them. And Superhero extends them and thickens them. It's fantastic. Watch. Okay, so now we got the eyes on. I'm going to use Makeup Forever's HD Lip Booster, which is really just hydrating kind of clear gloss. And I'm off and ready to go to the grocery store.